morning everyone, and welcome to Walt Disney World vacation day number 3. This is our last full day here in Walt Disney World, and today we're headed to a water park. I'm super excited. I'm currently just hanging out at the campsite. You can see we've got hammocks, camper, picnic table. I'm about to sit down and eat breakfast. It's like 9 o'clock. Half of the people are still asleep. So once everyone is up and ready, then we are headed over to Blizzard Beach. So you might not even know that Walt Disney World has 4 theme parks, but it also has 2 water parks. And in all of the times that I've been down here and all of the times my husband's been down here, none of us have ever been to one of the water parks. And so when we came in May, we decided we were going to do that. It's a little bit cheaper than a theme park ticket. And we went to Typhoon Lagoon. Not on purpose. We actually meant to go to Blizzard Beach, but we were like at the bus depot and we noticed that everyone was wearing bathing suits. And when the Typhoon Lagoon bus came, like nobody got up, so we assumed everybody else was going to Blizzard Beach. So we were like, we're gonna go to Typhoon Lagoon. And it was amazing. I've been telling everybody, I was like, this is so awesome. And I got back and I was like, why have we not been doing this all along? And we talked so much about it that now his whole family wants to go. So we're all going to Blizzard Beach for real this time. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I'm not sure what to expect because I haven't been there. Obviously there's not gonna be a ton of filming because, you know, water, but I'll do what I can. Also sorry, there's like a squirrel over there. I don't think you can see it. And it keeps moving and I'm like, what is happening? Yeah, I know squirrels. We have squirrels at home. It's not a big deal. Anyway, a couple things for water parks that you should definitely recommend. Number 1, bring water shoes. We got some really cheap ones from Dick's Sporting Goods. They're like 10 bucks and saved our lives. The pavement gets really, really hot during the day, and Disney does a lot. They like mist it and do all these things to try to make it not as big of a deal, but it's still hot. Also, just like all day long barefoot, so many things could go wrong. So, water shoes. Number 2, do your hair in a way that keeps it back. So I am going to like French braid mine and like put in a bun so that it is like sturdy, because the last thing you need is your hair just flying all over the place at the water park. And 3, make sure you choose your bathing suit very wisely, because the last thing you need is anything slipping and sliding when you are slipping and sliding down a water slide. So I'm going to sit here and eat my giant chocolate muffin, drink my coffee, and get ready to go.
Yeah. It's like sticking out the top of the bag, and the guy was on his like right on top of it. Hi guys. We're gonna put that stuff in the locker, or are you gonna walk around? It's a baby.
This way.
No flying gator.
Joffrey's mini donuts. Snowman. Hey guys, it is like 6:30 now. So I had a major vlogger fail today. I didn't film anything at Blizzard Beach at all, but we had so much fun. It was really great. So I figured since I didn't really film anything, I would just kind of like talk you through it. Oh good, smoke alarm's going off. Check on that. False alarm. So since I totally failed, I'm just gonna film a clip when we get home about like what we did today, and just let you know we're gonna eat some food here at the camper, and then I think we're going to Disney Springs, which was kind of a spur of the moment thing. But, yeah, so Hey guys, so I am back home now. Because I had that terrible vlogger fail, I am going to just insert like a little description and review of Blizzard Beach right here. So next time I need to get like a GoPro or something so I can actually take you with me, because I obviously couldn't have my phone on all of the water rides because that would not end well. Anyway, so at Blizzard Beach, it's a water park, obviously. It's very themed. So the theme is that it's a Florida town that had a blizzard for like one day, and they built a ski slope. So everything is like ski themed. If you look around, it looks very like Norwegian kind of. All of the buildings, if you watch the video part of that, what I did show you, it looks very Norwegian. There's lots of things to eat like bratwurst and things like that just kind of keep that theme going. I think everything was built up on one mountain, Mount Gushmore, from what I could tell, but there were different slopes, and so each slope had a couple of different slides. So we went on a few of them. We didn't go on everything, but we did go on quite a few. We went on the red slope. I really liked. I like the inner tube rides better than just the ones that are like just your body. So we went on that. It was wonderful. And then we went on some other ones. We went on, I can't remember the colors now because it's been a while, but we went on the really big one. I think it was green is what I'm gonna guess. And that's the one that actually they have a chairlift that takes you up to the top, which is super cool and just really fun, and you don't have to walk up all those stairs. So we did that. There's 3 different slides there. One of them goes like straight down. They were clocking people's speed and it was like 45 miles per hour, and I was like, that does not sound fun. That sounds painful. And so we did not go on that one. And then there was another one that was really fast. And then there was a family raft ride that, oh my goodness, is probably my new favorite water ride ever. Like, it was so much fun. It was really long. We had 4 people. I think you could sit at least up to 6, but really long, really fun. Lots of twists and turns and going up and all sorts of fun. It's super, super cool. So we liked that one. And then we also went on the purple slope, was like the toboggan races, which was kind of fun. So they had they had different ones, but some of them were like ones where you would lay down, like if you were on a sled, and go down that way, and you would like race the people next to you. I really enjoyed that. It was really fun. And then what else? Oh, they had a lazy river that goes all the way around, and it has like different things that like shoot out, and just, you know, Disney, just different things all throughout that make voices, and just really fun. And they have a wave pool. I liked their wave pool a lot because it was like constant little waves, which is what it is like if you're actually in the ocean, or at least the ocean here at Tybee, in Georgia. That's where I live. But as opposed to like at Typhoon Lagoon, they had a wave pool, but it was like one ginormous wave every 5 minutes, and then it would like be like still. I don't know if it was 5 minutes, but something. Anyway, we had a really fun time. It had a lot of thrill rides, which a lot of people in my group were not a fan of, but it was still fun. We went on mostly less crazy ones. There was a ton of seating at Blizzard Beach, which was really nice. A lot of like shaded areas where you could sit, and just like tons and tons of chairs and places to sit, which was great. We brought our own food. So at the water parks, you can actually bring in even like straight up coolers. So we brought like sandwiches and chips and stuff like that, but we did buy a couple snacks. We got edible cookie dough, which was delicious. It just sounded really interesting, so we thought we'd have to try it. It was very, very yummy. The only thing I'll say is that we got s'mores, and it didn't taste like s'mores. It tasted like chocolate chip. So it was good because, you know, chocolate chip's delicious, but it wasn't what I was expecting. And then we got chocolate dipped key lime pie. Oh my goodness. So stinking good. So stinking good. I have, my husband and I went to the Keys on our honeymoon, and ever since then we have been like obsessed with key lime pie. We had never eaten it before, but after that we eat it anytime it is available. So that was really good. It came like on a stick, which I thought was interesting. I tried to eat it with a fork. That did not work.
So we just picked it up and ate it. But it was very, very yummy, dipped in chocolate, which I had never had before. So it was fun. Highly recommend either of the water parks. They are both super, super fun. That's what we did. Sorry I failed. I'll try to do better next time. Back to the actual day.
Comment down below and let me know, do you eat boiled peanuts? And also let me know where you live for reference. I'm wondering if it is like strictly a Georgian thing or just like a southern thing or like an everybody thing. I don't know. Boiled peanuts? Yay, nay. I love them. They're so good. This squirrel is like eating all of our peanut shells now. Good, isn't it?
Can't take a razor on the plane.
The Disney store. Getting this They have some of the most amazing sundaes I've ever had. And I usually get something crazy. Like the cookie bit sundae is really good, the brownie sundae is really good. But I got a frozen hot chocolate, so we shall see how this goes. I'm sure I will not be disappointed.
You were better than me than I was to myself. For me, there's just you. Nobody else I understand.
Because I needed to get a little bit of light. We just got back from Disney Springs. We literally got back. I walked in, grabbed my like little nightly bag and went to the comfort station and just like brushed my teeth, got into the bed because I'm exhausted. Today was so much fun, but I'm exhausted. So I got a frozen hot chocolate at the Ghirardelli store. Oh my goodness, it was amazing. I'd never had that before. I usually get like an ice cream sundae with like cookies and brownies, like crazy town. They're so good, but this was really, really, really good. And my husband wanted Dole Whip. They were closed, so he went and got like a bunch of stuff from the Goofy Candy Company instead. I got a hat, which I guess I'll show you tomorrow because I don't have time today. From the Disney store, which y'all, that just like stresses me out. And I think my mother-in-law got a shirt from there. And then my brother-in-law, Parker, he got some poutine from the poutine place. We went over to Raglan Road and just like watched the Irish performers outside. I got some really weird stares from the people eating dinner next to where I was filming. That's okay. And I'm going to bed. Thank you so much for following along today. Sorry that Blizzard Beach footage wasn't as good as it should have been, but I'm on vacation, so whatever. And I will see you tomorrow for my 4th and final day here at Walt Disney World. Have a wonderful week.